Okay, so if you will ever notice now, because I made sure she put this up, but see the name up here? See that? That's an arrow. That lets you know you're talking to me. Now, she doesn't change it when she's doing videos and unboxings and stuff and such. But she does it when it's mainly for me. It really is. It's just for me. Anyway, she said I could unbox something that she got from the Amazon. I don't know if she went to the rainforest or got them, or she picked them up in duty free or where she was. But she got them in the Amazon. And she's got some kind of discount code or influence. She's influences people to shop at places. So whatever it is, this is a company called MOLASUS. Seriously, molasses? Okay. And I want you to know that I'm wearing one right now. Yes, I am. Don't tell her though. Shh, quiet. You don't even know what they are. I like your confidence from the inside out. Like you, anytime, any look. They're high quality underwear. Yes, oh yes. Because she... Okay, so she subscribed to the panties called Splendies. We haven't got them yet. I get to unbox them when she gets the Splendies panties. No, they're not going to be thongs, I don't think. Although we do like the box shorts, like the boy shorts. Oh, we like those. Okay, these came from the Amazon. Oh, forgot to show you. Anyway, they come like this. Okay, it's molasses. That's right. Now listen, she might have a very large ass. They won't ding me for that. I did not make this video for children. Your children should not be watching panties. So you just tell your children to leave the room. That's much better. Thank you very much. She's checking off what I can and cannot do. Okay, so these are panties. But like I said, she might be a very large gal when it comes to her caboose. But she doesn't have a big size. I don't know, maybe you guys will think, holy shit. I'm quiet. My apologies. These are the panties. I mean, look at, they're very nice. And this is the purple. Very nice, breathable cotton with the spandex. It's got, and I do like this type of leg, you guys. I like, because it has the long, see the band? It's almost like a yoga pant, right? Exactly, that's what I said. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I don't know if somebody had to just point out they're like yoga pants. But you know what? I totally agree with them. Yes, they're like yoga pants. And so anyhow, and it's got that really nice, it's got a nice yoga pant feel. No, the camera's like putting like 2 sizes on it. You know how it adds like 10 pounds? It's putting like 2 sizes too big on there. But they're not, you guys. They're really not huge. She's going to kill me. Oh my God, she's going to kill me. Anyway, they're nice panties. See? I know it seems like they're very large, but they're not. They're granny panties. But I like how they have this right here because it makes it slip. I'm wearing them right now. You guys. Behave. Okay, Miss Lady's never gonna get in front of a camera again. Just because she's a little large in the back end. But you know what I mean? Like, see? Yes, if you fold one side, they don't look as big. But you know what I mean? She wears a large. Okay, so it's a large. I think she should get the next size up. It said true to fit, but I would go one size bigger, just so that they're not as, they're fine. They're just a tiny bit tight right at the waist. And I would stand up, but she doesn't like me to show off her big boost. It's pretty large, you guys. I'm trying to tell you. Anyway, it came with how many panties? It came with 5 large panties. I have on the, what color am I wearing? Holy shit, what color? Oh, these are like the cranberry. It's like the cranberry, you know, like what color? I don't know what color. I can't give you an example. Like this color right here. That's the color that I'm wearing right now. And then there's this one, which is the grape. Okay, so I'm just going to keep taking panties out of the bag. Ooh, those are pretty. It's like periwinkle, right? It's like periwinkle. Those are pretty. I like those colors. That's a nice color. Ooh, here comes my favorite. There's the gray. And then we have the black. We've always got to have the black. It's molasses. And you get them in the Amazon. That's where she goes. I think she flies over there and picks them up in the duty free. I don't know. But see, it's like a rainbow of colors. And then there's the periwinkle. And then there's the grape. And then I have on that pair, but I can't stand up because I would embarrass myself. And then I would embarrass her at the same time. So we're not going to do that. I said I would not do that. That's just, well, shit, she's really mean to me sometimes. So maybe I should just stand up and show her big old fat fupa. No, I wouldn't do that to the lady. She would stop my recordings. And I'm starting to get a clientele. Disclaimer, I'm not allowed to give any skin advice, but I do. Okay, that's it, you guys, for this episode of Molasses Underwear. You know, that doesn't really, that just didn't come out right. It's like sticky. Okay, nope, we're done. Yep, we're done. All right, guys, that's it. Before this mouth gets me in trouble. This is Sassy signing off. Oh, dear Lord Jesus. Let's have church up in here. Okay, we're done. Tell me what you think of these panties. Tell me, ladies. Let's gather around the comment cooler. Let's discuss the ladies' panties. Again, it's just not coming out the right way. Okay. I will talk to you later. See ya in the next video. Bye. Peace.
Ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you. You're on my mind. On my mind.